And yes guys, in the round 3, ile round moto, yani ile round. Okay, this is my favorite round every single day when I'm doing Sound It. Prince Jawabu, yeah, are you ready for this?
Tajaribu.
Tunaona hapa kuna greens. Yeah? Guys, he's gonna be chewing some chili. Let's see if akifail kuansa maswali kadhaa.
Is this your best?
Yeah, for now. But the others outside there is mayai and haijapikwa. You can choose to drink it. And there are other things out there. But this is what we have for you at the moment. Na umeuliza hivyo kwani
mboga hizo.
Anyway, guys, straight up to this, show us the last 1 week's Google search. Yani Google search yako ya the whole of last week.
Hata sijakuwa kwa Google nini.
Acha tuone vitu na searchingi. Unajua watu wa gospel.
Lakini 1 week ni refu.
Yeah. 1 week ni refu.
1 week ni refu, but acha tuangalie tu zenye zitatokea hapo. Je, I think wiki itakuwa kwa nini?
Sasa ulete mimi niangalilie watu ndio niwasomee.
Si hata ukiangalia tu hapa from the nini na YouTube zote tuangalia hapo. In the first page. Okay. Sio ni ya kwanza umedhibitisha. History. In the first page. Itumedana utapata ngwati hapa.
Okay.
Ndio hapa.
Atapata picha za Jailo. Let me read.
Unajua kuna vitu zenye sasa pia nimetumia msee email ama kuna vitu nimefanya.
It's okay, I'm not reading about the mails. I'm reading for what you searched for. That's it.
Tuanzie hapa. So utasomea vitu zote?
Relax.
Ngoje. Ndio kuangalia hapo uone. Ni sasa Bridget Achieng. Ayuko. Bridget Achieng ayuko.
We want to go in here, Bridget. Anyway, we can see ulisearch hapa YouTube Studio, which is the app ya wasenye utumia YouTube. 5 letters, words with ocean. I don't know what that is. The same may search 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Hey, Bridget Achieng nudes video.
Hiyo ni link. Yes, go search. Ona hiyo. Utachoma zaidi.
Relax.
But niyo tu, very careful.
No, relax. Okay, can you take me back to where it was? Okay, guys.
Mshapata highlight. Bridget alikuwa hapo bwana.
Bro, mbona imejifunga lakini?
Si tushapata moja sasa. Hiyo ndio utapata ni my YouTube tu.
Okay guys, for those who watch the other show, we know what Bridget video imekuwa ikitrend. Tunaona kijana wetu hapa Prince.
Pia I wanted to know why is she trending. So that's why
but no, I can see they treated very well. Bridget Achieng.
Sasa kuna link, unafungua. Wewe unaona side link nilipata nikafungua.
Okay, no problem bro. Yeah. No problem. Yeah, we are all humans.
Ni dunia ndogo.
Yeah. Uko sure uko anataka kufanya muscles zikuwe kubwa kidogo.
Chukua sheria mkononi.
Okay, sawa. Anyway, act like a cat for 2 minutes. Act like a cat.
Should I sound like a cat?
Act like a cat. It doesn't matter if you sound like one.
How does a cat act?
Act like a cat anyway. Unaweza show video hapa. You just act like a cat. But do you think that's going to be easy for you?
Try it.
Let's see.
Cat behaviors.
Not cat behaviors. It's more of like their sound, the way they sound like. Yeah. Act like one for 2 minutes at least. Yeah.
You need the sound is what I can
act like one. You can see one here. Look at the camera. Anyway, I love what we making celebrities do here, guys. This is just amazing. Okay, take your phone.
I have my phone.
Okay. Let me see your playlist, first of all. Your music playlist. Kindly.
Utachoka.
It's okay. I want to see your music playlist. Guys, as we scroll up kwa
sasa unajua hapa unless nifungulie na app nyingine nikifungua files kutakuwa na audio recordings mingi.
It's okay. So okay guys, as he does
so yangu kuna instrumentals to my phone. Let me show you.
Just show me yenye iko na nyimbo zao, say rather other artist songs.
What I can do, let me show you the first explanation songs,
Okay.
Because we mostly sing other songs out to post music on YouTube too.
Oh, okay.
So audios.
I do it easier for you instead of you scrolling kwa music playlist yako. I know you are an artist.
Yeah.
Na uko na ngoma zingine hujatoa, maybe they
hata kuna audios mingi yani wako na WhatsApp so.
Oh, okay, for this we were singing a given song here with you before the show started. By the way, we were singing Burna Boy featuring Sauti Sol.
Time flies.
Yeah. Now I want you to take your phone, yeah? You call a stranger and sing to them Time Flies.
So who's a stranger in my phone?
A random person.
Or a random person?
Yeah.
Who's a stranger?
A stranger is like you just put on a number there. You don't have to call someone kwa contact zako. Pigia tu mse random yani. Guess number tu.
So nikugezie
nikugezie number.
But simu sina credit.
Okay, now let me type it in because nikisoma wase wengine wanaweza happen kupiga hiyo number of which one to be right.
Sina credit.
Ndakubaia.
Ndakubaia sina credit.
Okay, bring your phone.
Sina simu yangu. Si useme number.
Okay. No, if I say it will be
nimeshika type. Unakujua unataka kuingia kwa history time.
Okay, which number do we call? Okay,
kama ni mteja wajua ni hiyo.
Okay, try that.
Sina credit sasa hivi ndio. Ama think na kudanganya, ngoja usikie.
Jawabu, what's wrong? Why don't you have credit? Guys, kwa sababu Prince amesema ana credo, the other Prince hawezi kosa. But imechoma
royalty.
Ndio hiyo. Lakini tutakosaje? You know, we are above almost everyone, yeah?
We are,
na sasa tumekosa credo. Anyway guys, yeah, the question or rather the thing we're supposed to do is call a stranger and sing them the 5th song in your playlist. And it happened playlist yake kuna some of his recorded songs zenye bado hazijakuwa released and all that, na pia ngoma za wasanii wengine. So we chose to do Burna Boy's song featuring Sauti Sol, Time Flies, and tulikuwa tunasikiza before tuanze hii show. So we're going to be calling a random person with my phone, and then you're going to be singing the song to them. You ready?
Let's do it.
Here you go, Jawabu. Now you're going to put the phone somewhere here because of the microphone.
To copy this tune.
Hello.
Yes.
Mimi nataka tu kuimbia.
Kuniimbia?
Time flies like a thief in the night. So darling, jump in the ride before the train is gone. Let's make a ride within the sky. Time flies like a thief in the night. Nilikuwa naomba hiyo sauti yangu itakubariki. Kuni wewe uni pasta ama gani? Anashindwa namwambia nini?
That was a random number, guys. Yeah. And the thing was call a stranger and sing to them the 5th song on your playlist. And guys, I hope you're having fun as much as I am. And guys, this is why I tell you, Soundis is the place to be every single Friday at 8 p.m. How was the call? Enjoy? The fact that he chose to listen to you, alikuwa anaitwa Musimi or something, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, the fact that Musimi, you're a good person. Yeah, the fact that umesikiza umse atiacha ni kuimbia na unasikiza. Yeah, okay, that was amazing anyway.
Yeah.
Do your best celebrity impression.
What is that?
Who's your favorite celebrity?
Do I have one?
Okay, no, your favorite or rather celebrity that you look up to. Kani Michael Jackson unaweza piga moves zake. You get what I mean? Kama ni Michael Bolton unaweza nini mimic voice yake.
Kama ni Arkel.
Arkel unaweza enda jela.
Kalipeleka jela after hapa.
Yeah. Who is it, by the way?
My favorite.
It can be a shorty, it can be a guy.
Is kwa dem.
Kwa nini?
Siwezi mimic dem.
Kwa nini? You can. Trust me, you can.
Mazoji ukiniuliza hivyo ndo narealize sinanga favorite celebrity.
Okay, you say that Akode is one of the shorties that you love to, you know.
The crush.
Yeah. So maybe unaweza try ku impersonate Akode, or rather to do more of what Akode does. Just be Akode for some time. Be Akode.
My daughter. I am telling you, there's no award for suffering. If you want to go for a man who have money, it's better you have your heart being broken in Dubai than somewhere in Korogosho.
Wow.
Yes.
That was amazing, bro. Actually, that's Akode. If she's watching, Akode, just call this guy for lunch, man. Yeah. Prince Jawabu.
Dinner.
At a dinner. Okay. And now, let the host tell you 2 truths and 1 lie. Yeah. You have to guess which one is a lie between the 3. You get what I mean?
Yeah.
Ndakwambia vitu 3, and for those watching, yani, I'll tell you 3 things. Okay, actually sikuwa na any in my mind, yeah. But utachagua gani ndio ukweli between the 3 of them. 2 ni ukweli, 1 ndio uongo.
So nafa kujua gani uongo?
Okay. Okay, sasa ndakwambia nini? Okay, I'm blank, but I'm gonna think of what do I think? Let's do it about myself now.
Yeah.
Okay, 1, I'm 22 years old. And now the second one, I'm 6 feet tall. And now the third one, which one? What do I say? I'm an Arsenal fan. So you have to choose Gani the Wongo between the 3. 1, I'm an Arsenal fan. 2, I'm 6 foot tall. And now the third one is I'm 22 years old. Which one?
Tall.
No, that's not cap. That's true.
That's true?
Yeah.
Okay.
And now
Then,
you can still guess which one.
Now I have Arsenal and?
You have Arsenal and 22 years old.
Mbona uko mfano wa Arsenal? Hauwezi kuwa mfano wa Arsenal. Hauwezi kuwa mfano wa Arsenal.
Hey, unachoma. I'm an Arsenal fan, man. Actually, I'm not 22 years old, so that's a cap in it.
Yeah, you look 22.
Endeavor. Anyway, that was a random one for you, but you tried, and now, bukunja sweater. I love this show. See, kunja mkono moja, kunja yote. Mpaka kwa elbow tu, kunja.
Yes. Dior. Taribu Dior,
Oh, sorry.
Dior.
Oh, sorry. Dior. Now, Prince Jawabu, since umekunja shati, or rather your Dior. I'm sorry.
Pale internet wanaita Papa Dior. Kuna nilikuwa nimevaa Dior, Dior. Yeah.
The fact that tumekunja, now try to lick your elbow.
Impossible.
Lamba hiyo kitu, unaona imeparara. No, it's very possible. Angalia kamera.
Hii kitu haiwezi.
No, try. Unaweza.
Ndavunjika shingo.
Zile vitu zingine unaweza lamba lakini mkono huwezi.
Chumvi, sukari.
Hizo. Sweetie.
Impossible. Hii imenishinda hii.
Lakini paka elbow mafuta angalau. Hata ikikushinda. Yes. We can do this. Unakula yote by the way.
Siwezi kula yote.
No, you'll have to.
Siwezi kula yote.
Utakula yote. Mimi ningekuwa ningemeza tu ikiwa hivyo itadigestiwa kwa tumbo. Anyway, pick any of your No, pick any of your choice. Kuna ndogo hapa.
Hebu nitafutia hapa. Nitafutia.
If I was you, I would pick this one. Masterpiece. Mbona unachomea? Okay, masterpiece. I get. But I see what you did there. Hebu kula hiyo kwanza. Ndio tuongee. We, mwenye alikuwa anapanga, hebu chip it fast. No, you're not chewing that thing. Show us that you're chewing. No, show.
Bad manner.
No, you're cheating. No, but anyway.
Umetafuna?
Damn, bro. Zile pilipili za Mombasa kwani. Whoever was bringing this, please next time bring something better than this, yeah? Anyway, now this is the big deal. Sing a praise song about Bahati. You're a good songwriter. You're good at writing and all that. So I want you to sing a praise song about Bahati.
Mtoto wa mama na kuheshimu sana na mahesabu zako kama za Jay-Z. Lakini kweli sipeti talanta yako, sauti yako kwanza nasemazi. Unafaa kujua hii mziki kuandika si rahisi kama ABC. Yeah.
Wow. Now that was a praise on to Bahati.
At least uambia napenda.